How to create split transition effect in Premiere Pro. I have 2 videos on the timeline. Then move the time indicator to the point of the cut between the videos and move 10 frames to the left. Then we need to make a cut over here. Then select this piece, head over to the Controls panel and under the opacity. Select the free drop as a tool in order to create a mask. Create a triangular mask. You set mask feather to 0. Then we need to duplicate this piece, then select the duplicate sequence and in Effect Controls. Make sure you check Inverted. We're going to open Effects and search for Transform. Now select the left layer first. In Effect Controls, let's find Transform. And then we need to create a keyframe for position at default value at the start of the layer. Then let's move a bit forward and set position values to 0, 0. And let's move this keyframe to the end of the layer and set shutter angle to 180 to add motion blur to the transition. Select the right, go to Effect Controls. Create a keyframe for position at default value, then move forward and double these values. And those values should be the total size of your sequence. And let's move this keyframe to the end and set shutter angle to 180. We need to select both of these layers and move them 1 track up and then move number 2 all the way to the left to fill in this gap. Follow for more video tips.